Hello guys, today we're going to talk about this 2010 Elantra. This car is from my daughter, and what happened here is she was backing up and she hit some piece of or concrete or wall or something, so she had this issue with the paint. So what we are going to do is to do a quick fix with a rattle can bottle. So for this job, we're going to use alcohol to clean the surface. This paint, I bought it specifically for this car. You can find the tag on the left side driver's door. You will see the color code and everything. So sandpaper for different grades. This is like 600 and this is 220. Also, we will need some paper just to put to cover all the other areas in order to fix this. So let's get into this. First, we're going to remove the excess of the broken paint. We're going to remove this, and then we are going to do sandpaper, and then we're going to put some primer. This primer is a filler and primer at the same time in order to be able to put the paint. All right, let's get into it. So now what I'm going to do next, so now the area is smooth, this feels good, no sharp edges. So I cleaned it with alcohol, but I will clean it again. What I will do, I'm going to put tape in this area so we don't paint anything else from the car. Now what we are going to do, we're going to do another cleaning with alcohol. And then for this process, once it's dry, what we're going to do is we're going to apply the primer. Make sure it's shaked. And we are going to let it dry for about 10 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Alright, second hand. Make sure that you shake it for at least 10 seconds. Alright, let's wait for 10 more seconds. Looks pretty good already. Alright, this is going to be the third layer. Alright, so it's done. We're going to wait about 20-25 minutes in order to remove it and do some sandpaper just to make it more smooth in all the areas, and then we're going to. Okay, it's been already 30 minutes, so what I will do, I will remove the excess of paper, because we're going to paint after this. But first we are going to do some sanding in this area, and then moving. This right, we will put some water and sand to remove the sharp edges of the primer. So we're going to do some sanding here. This is 600 grit, so we're going to do just slightly, just to remove, just to make it smooth. Now we're going to dry this area, and now that this is smooth, I will go and give another coating of primer just to cover these areas, these corners. And then let it dry. Okay, once the area is clean and smooth, we're going to proceed and paint. So we want to shake it very good. Okay, so we're going to do a second hand of the paint. It's looking good. Alright. Well, like new. I mean, not like new, but it looks pretty good. I'm happy with the results. Alright, we'll let it dry, and that will be it for the night. Follow me. Thank you. Then for this kind of areas, we're going to do some sanding or just polish tomorrow once the paint is dry. But I think the results are pretty good. You cannot see them anymore.